This is the July latest in beauty. Stay tuned and we'll go through what my picks have been this month. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is the July, forgot what month it was there. This is the July latest in beauty box. Let's open her up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Here's the box. It's kind of popped open, weird. But yeah, I have not looked in it yet. I actually can't even remember what I've ordered. But if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, it's £12.95 per month. For the first 3 months, you do pay for postage, which is it £2.95 or £3.95? I think, I can't remember. All the details are down below. But yeah, click that link, it'll get you 20% off. And after 3 months, your postage becomes free, which is absolutely amazing. But let's have a dig through to see exactly what I've chosen. For the latest in beauty, you get 6 products per month. And the difference is you actually get to choose these products. So every month you go on the website and they have like releases every now and then, and you go and have a look and you pick your 6 products. So let's have a look to see what I first picked. So the one I love the look of is this. This is the first item. And this is obviously an eyeshadow palette. It's by the brand Wet n Wild. And it is in the shade Nude Awakening. I fell in love with it. Absolutely fell in love with the colours. It's been ages since I've had anything Wet n Wild, really. It is without any glare. I am going to do 2 shimmers and 2 mattes, I think. So let's do, I don't know, let's do this one and this one for the shimmers. And then for the mattes, I'm going to do this dark brown one, and I'm going to do this one. Oh wow, that feels really soft and buttery, and it actually feels like velvet. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Cute. I love that. Them shimmers are absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And look how pigmented those mattes are. Oh, I'm so excited to use that. Such an affordable brand as well. Yeah. Happy second item I have to show you is this. So it's by the same brand, it's by Wet n Wild, and it is a lipstick. This is, let's have a look. Oh, it's a matte lipstick in the shade Bare It All. There was 2 colours to choose from, and I don't know, just went for this one really. So let's just pop this here. Oh, that's really nice, really nice. In fact, I haven't got any lipstick on now. Let's try it on. Okay, so I love the colour. It feels like a little bit drying, and I have that line that you get there. Okay, I think it is nice, but maybe with a little lip balm on and then put this over the top, just to, because that's a bit too matte. But I do love the colour. Third item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Time Bomb Co. And it just says here, Ultimate Purge and Cleanse. Purifies your skin, leaving it super healthy, toned and glowy. This is a double detox mask. I saw it and I thought, yeah, why not? I had no idea it was this big, and oh my goodness, that looks so cool. Oh, that looks well bougie, doesn't it? I really like that. This is going to go in my Friday face mask drawer. As soon as my beauty room is sorted, we are going to start doing the face masks every Friday again. Oh wow, look at that. Can't really smell anything without touching it. I don't want to touch it just yet. I shouldn't have really opened it because I'm not using it yet, but that looks so interesting. The packaging on that just looks absolutely amazing. That's just going to look cute on a vanity really, isn't it? So the fourth item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Naturtint and it's hair food. And this is a protective mask. It shields the hair from environmental damage. 99% naturally derived ingredients. What else does it say? It just says enriched with chai, which is a powerful antioxidant. It helps hair frequently exposed to the sun or external aggressors to maintain a healthy look and shine and smooth finish. Oh, and it has shea butter in here. But I thought that was great. There's 30 mils in here. So depending on how generous I'm feeling with myself, I could possibly stretch it to get 2 masks out of here. If I'm feeling indulgent, then I'll probably just use all of that, slap it all over my head. But yeah, does it smell of anything? It is sealed, but let's face it, it's a hair mask, it's going to get used straight away. It smells gorgeous. It smells absolutely bloody gorgeous. So the 5th item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand, is it biolage or biolage? Yeah, it's by them, biolage Advance, and it's fibre strong pack, bamboo extract, a deep treatment for fragile hair. There's 100 mils that you get in here. So basically, yeah, it's a treatment for your hair. It's like a mask type of thing. Let's have a look. It says that there's up to 4 applications in one pack. Use weekly as a system. You pop it in your hair after shampooing, wait 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. Yeah, interesting. Definitely expect a video to come from this. 6th and final product is another hair treatment. It is this. So again, it's by exactly the same brand, biolage Advance, and this is a recovery pack with amino acids and also a deep treatment for over processed hair. Again, 100 mils in here. Is this exactly the same? Yeah, shampoo your hair. Oh, I've lost my voice there. Shampoo your hair and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. I generally do leave my treatments and masks on for a minimum of 30 minutes just to get actual benefit out of it. I don't see how 3 to 5 minutes is great, but yeah, I can't wait to try these out. Really great sizes as well, guys. This month we do get a free product. Normally it's the Cetaphil product. I think it's the moisturizer that we normally get. It's different this month, I'm happy to say, which is fantastic. It is this. So this is by the brand Amie Natural Kind, and it's Glow and Bright Illuminating Moisturizer. Instant and 24-hour hydration, brightens and smooths, dermatologically approved, formulated for dull, lackluster skin, including sensitive skins. 15 mils that you get in here, which is absolutely fantastic. It's so nice to get something different. It's not sealed, so let's just have a go. So just put the tiniest amount there. Feels nice. Smells absolutely gorgeous. And my skin feels so soft. Wow. Oh, lovely. So let's just have a little reminder of what I've chosen for the July box. So the first item is this, the eyeshadow palette. Second item is this, it is the lipstick. Third item I've chosen is this, and it is the clay mask. Fourth item is this, and it is a little hair mask. And the 5th and 6th items I've chosen are these. These are also hair treatments, hair masks. Of course, not forgetting the free product, which is this, which is a moisturizer. Personally, I went on to choose my products and I was a little bit stuck on what to choose this month. So I waited another week and went back on, and I'm glad I did because I found these and I'm really happy with what I have chosen. Yeah, really happy. I'm not sure on the lipstick at the moment. It has, like, do you know, liquid lipsticks where you get that thing and that's what this is doing, which is weird, but I love the colour. So yeah, I wonder if I put like a lip balm under it, will that help? We'll see. Overall, I am super happy with what I've chosen. But yeah, what do you think? Comment down below, what have you picked for your box? Have you subscribed to this box yet, or are you undecided? Again, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. It'll get you 20% off your first box. If you are unsure, a little discount might help you. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.